Captain Lewis has done us a huge favor. He's informed us about bad acts committed by one of your pro bono clients, Reverend Fields.
Are there any charges pending?
No one's life gets sweeter if these accusations become public.
Who are the accusers? These accusations are unproven.
You need to interview the women in this file. Immediately.
I'll handle this.
3, 2.
Wait, you're talking now?
Now I'm talking. Before I wasn't talking. What was I doing?
Miming.
Miming. What was I doing?
You were, like communicating with us, but not verbally, physically. Nonverbal communication.
Nonverbal communication. As actors, when we are on stage, we have to communicate thoughts, feelings, emotions, relationships, sometimes without using any words at all. Slowly start the tug of war. No whirling dervishes. Be mindful of there's a rope between the two of you. So that character really resonates with you. You really connect with that. That's great. I love this. Opinions. And people are going to think differently and have different opinions, and that's the beauty of being creative. Stellar, which we cannot hear. Because there's a world war is about to happen. And two people are at the same party from opposing sides. So there's a bit of a confrontation happening, and Brigitte is watching it. Who's next to read?
Me.
Me? Molly, please continue with Zeller.
You have German blood, haven't you?
I saw you. I saw you, Professor. For 2 semesters, sit there, stand there, and exploit art, as you thought paternal prerogative. And what is that but rape? I swear to God.
I ran down 11 flights of stairs with a pen in my hand. And suddenly, I stopped. You hear me? And in the middle of the office building, I stopped and I saw the sky.
I don't know how to write a song. I know how to open to one. And because all of it comes when you're unconscious. But you have to do the work of knowing how to set yourself up. So to me, singing and acting is the same thing.
I think that God lost my lovers, hold on tight to what they are dreaming.
What happens is, that was beautifully sung. There is a reason we're drawn to a song. It moves us in some way.